Sylvia Norman. You have an event coming up. Tell us a little bit about it. Who are you serving, and what are you accomplishing with this event?
Okay. Yeah, so our event is part of a series that we've been offering that's product development for medical technology startups.
Okay.
And this is the second event. We had the first one on October 1st, and this one is intended to be a follow-up to that event. So the first one we give kind of a high-level overview of how to do product development for startups. And this one is now we're taking a deeper dive into the different aspects of product development. And we have panel members doing a panel discussion on each of the topics that's necessary to move a product from concept to commercialization.
Wonderful, wonderful. And who's speaking at this event?
Yeah, well, we have several good experts actually, so that's really good. We have Martin Kleckner, who's with the TriTech SBDC, and so he's going to be able to talk about funding and investment and business development, and those were topics that we heard back from our feedback last time that people wanted to hear about. We have Ghosh from Althea Technologies, and she is also a business development person, and she has experience in both startups and corporate, so that'll be like really good experience to, yeah. And then we have a marketing expert also with a lot of experience in startups, and she'll be able to address, you know, what do we need to be thinking about up front, because a lot of startups don't realize that they need to be doing marketing up front. They need to know what is the customer, what are customer requirements, what are they going to use, who's going to use it, what are they going to pay for it. So that'll be Iryna of InceptPoint Consulting. And we have a regulatory person. That was another request that we had as a follow-up from the last event. So Mark Sarno is our regulatory person, and he runs a consulting company for regulatory and has experience in taking, I think it's over 30 companies through FDA approval.
Wow.
So yeah, he's a great expert in that area. And then I added a person for IP patents because I had sent, this is a colleague of mine, Susan Gorman, and I sent her a question recently about this whole change that's happened with a myriad Supreme Court decision last year. And it was so murky. I'm like, well, I think we should probably have you on the panel so we can discuss this further, so startups have some idea of what we're looking at. And what we're trying to accomplish with this is we realize that a lot of the early stage companies that we work with really struggle with how do we take this proof of concept that we have to a commercialized product. And in fact, the other day I was just meeting with somebody that is interested in digital tech, digital health, and he was saying how so many people in that area that are doing software don't realize they have to get FDA approval if they're doing digital health. And so the idea was, we knew that, and we're like, well, let's do something to help the startup community understand what needs to be done, because that really hasn't been done in this community yet. And so we're covering our areas of expertise, which are medical devices, diagnostic assays, and then we'd like the digital health community also to be involved, and then anybody who's interested in tech transfer from the universities.
Awesome.
Yeah,
awesome.
So we're really excited, and we have exhibitors again this time that are startup resources.
Oh, great.
We also had some at the last one, but now we have even more, so it'll be good to be able to showcase people that can help the startups.
Absolutely. And the last event you were standing room only. I mean, you were, it was an amazing turnout. So I'm assuming you would encourage folks to register early so they can make sure to get into this event. So.
That's right. In fact, we have early bird registration that's ending today.
Okay.
And yeah, we're really encouraging people to sign up early, because I think it's going to sell out this time around.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And we're hoping the panel discussion will be really exciting. We're trying to make it very interactive.
Oh, good.
So we're coming up with questions. I've asked the panelists to come up with questions that they would like to address. And then we're going to ask registrants to send questions to us also. So
Great.
it's going to be very interactive.
Good. Well, one of many. I'm really excited to host it here at Hera Hub. It's going to be amazing.
Yeah, we're happy to be here. It's lovely, lovely location.
Great, great. Well, thanks for your time, Sylvia.
Thank you, Felina.
Absolutely.